What is going on, guys? It is actually pretty nice today, so I'm gonna head over to the quarry, test this bad boy out today, see if I can measure some fish, try to get some practice in before the tournament that I want to enter that is in like 2 weeks. So see if I can get anything. Let's go. On my way back to my normal spot, and I noticed there's a lot more like vegetation and stuff back here. There's like mats and really high like seaweed or whatever the hell this stuff is. So I'm gonna fish this little mat real quick, get a frog, see if I can get my first frog bite. Tight on this blue and black frog. So something just jumped right underneath me. It's kind of sketchy. See if I can get one on the frog. That'd be sweet. Get him on the hog trough if I do. I don't even know how to fish a frog. You pause it. You just bring it back. Don't know. It's gonna be pretty sweet if I get one though. Just some movement over there. Something just coming. Oh no. Okay, have fun with my frog, I guess. What was that about? Okay, he just tossed my frog now. Jesus Christ, that was insane. That was insane. What the hell was that about? I don't see it anywhere. I don't know, do frogs float? Oh yes, my line. My line. Here's my frog. Look at the hooks, like they're bent all the way out. I don't know what that was about. Jeez. What makes that happen? Look at that. As soon as I set the hook, I saw him come up and grab it, and then, bam. Casting out deep. Something just popped over there. Oh, it's a damn beaver. Come on, beaver. Don't do this to me.
Papa, please don't do this to me.
Don't do this to me. Got one. Oh, what the? Maybe he'll take it again if he didn't get the hooks. Jesus Christ, that's two. Two misses. What is the deal? I'm gonna get one. I am going to get one. What the hell? That's number two. Oh, maybe that's why I freaking snapped off last time. My freaking drag was set super tight. Maybe that's gonna be the one. I missed another one. Not gonna be happy. Got it. Oh my God. Alright. I suck at this. I suck at frog fishing. Don't spit it this time. Do not spit it. Okay. Is that a PB or not? Let's see before my camera dies. Frog out. Fish. First freaking frog fish. I feel like every time I come here, I get some kind of a first. Let's get him on the scale really fast. That's pretty big, pretty good fish. It's at least a 4. That's gotta be a 4. $4.01. I'm not gonna show my phone. I want to get him back, but first frogfish is another 4. Hell yeah! Look at his mouth. That thing is a tank. Thank you, buddy. Hell yeah! Okay, today is worth it. First frogfish, 4-pounder. Toss it to these freaking pads over here, and the GoPro is running. GoPro running, success. I was getting kind of worried there. I was like, what the hell am I gonna do with like what, 5 frog misses and no frog catches? I think I missed that fish like I don't even know how many times. I don't know if that's the same one, but Jesus Christ. Alright, camera flashing at me means start paddling back to shore. Usually it dies like mid-cast or something like that, but today I'm gonna play it safe and just paddle it back to shore. Like I said, first frogfish today, which is freaking amazing, came on this, I think it's a Booyah pad crasher, black and blue frog. 4-pound fish, like 4.12 I think it was. Awesome. It's super cool watching the fish blow up and take the bait instead of not being able to see anything. So I think that's going to be it today. Like I said, my camera is dying, so I will check you guys in the next video. Later.